In a new development, former Vice President Atiku says President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration is weaponizing poverty against Nigerians. Abubakar spoke on Saturday at a public lecture to mark the 60th birthday anniversary of Rotimi Amaechi, former governor of Rivers State. He posited that Kano State was once prosperous with little visible homelessness, lamenting the current rise in street dwellers. Growing up in the north, the most prosperous city or state was Kano. As soon as I finished secondary school, my first location was Kano State. I never saw people sleeping outside then. There were no bridges or flyovers. This particular government is weaponizing poverty. You may call me a conspirator, you may call me anything, Atiku said.
A little bit of amendment and state weaponization of poverty. Why I say so? When I was growing up in the north, the most prosperous city or state was Kano State. The most prosperous. And incidentally, as soon as I finished my secondary school, my first location was Kano State. I never saw people sleeping outside. Then there were no bridges or flyovers. I never saw people sleeping outside or outside the shops in Kano State. Recently, people were all over state sleeping under the bridge, on the streets, who are driven out by poverty and insecurity. There is a state agency in Kano responsible for providing succor to such people. And they started doing their work and enlightening people and removing people from under the bridges and outside on the streets. What happened? They were called to Abuja and they were told to stop it. That is why I said I wanted to amend the topic of today to add state weaponization of poverty. This particular government is weaponizing poverty. You may call me a conspirator, you may call me anything, and that is why we are in this alliance, to make sure we don't allow them to continue weaponizing policy. Of course, one of our star conspirators is Governor Rotimi Amaechi. Therefore, we are here to wish you many happy returns of the day, and we will continue to conspire with you to make sure we minimize poverty and we don't use state machinery to weaponize poverty.
Abubakar said he is engaging in coalition talks to unseat Tinubu in 2027 to end the widespread poverty. Also speaking, Nasir El-Rufai, former governor of Kaduna State, disagreed with Abubakar, saying politicians do not intentionally use poverty as a tool against the people. El-Rufai added that the key challenge for Nigerians in 2027 is to choose those with competence, capability, capacity, and commitment to make Nigeria move forward. While this has sparked reactions online, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.